Hello everyone, this is Akash Gully from Hyderabad Gully. Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up right now in very irritating mood. Unfortunately, if I have any kind of urgent work right starting from the morning itself without any giving me enough gap to reset my mind, I'll be very irritating. I don't know what's gonna happen today. Right now I can feel that I'm very irritated. Let's go. So the job is to follow this car right in front of me. Foot we go. It's Sinu bro's car. All I have to do is to pick up Modi's up from Bandaguda. So he has to deliver this car for service center. I have to pick him up. That's it.
నాకైతే రెండు బ్యాటరీ ఒకటి మైలేజ్ ఒకటి రెండు కంప్లైంట్స్ అన్నీ కూలెంట్ అన్నీ చెక్ చేస్తారు. బ్యాటరీ అమౌంటా?
కెమెరాలు 35,000 అట్లుంటుంది. 35,000 అట్లుంటుంది. ఇదేంది ఇటు సైడ్ నుంచి అటు సైడ్ నుంచి మొత్తం కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేసి పడేస్తారు. I don't know for what purpose I'm here. Just I followed the instructions of Modi sir. Okay. So I shouldn't take this U-turn right now. ఎర్రిపుట్లంజవాడికి గుద్దల కట్టే యూటర్న్ ఆటో తిరుగుతుందా? ఆహా ఆడుందా? ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. పోరా నాయనా. వాట్ ఏ హ్యూజ్ ఎంప్టీ ప్లేస్. వ్లాగ్లో they divided into too many different plots. I don't think this is called a venture, but still. Even right now we are heading towards this kind of area in order to speak about the plot. I don't have much details about it, I just heard about it, that's it. Since there is an uncle who's waiting somewhere, or maybe we are just taking a random look. Hey, fencing. లద్దాఖ్ పోయేసిన బండి రే ఇది. ఎందుకు మోడీ సాబ్? ఎంజీబీ మోటార్సా? Because of some situations right now I'm traveling in a different path. The reason I'm heading in this way because I need to go and how can I tell you, right now I'm heading towards Vanasthalipuram. That is the path I really took. So whether it's an easy path or a difficult, I don't know. I just took the different kind of path for a different adventure. Traveling in the same way, it doesn't give me enough satisfaction and adventure feeling. So many people are giving me close call cuts, dude. Since I lost the experience of traveling on highway. Because of that, it's very complicated for me. Maybe if I keep on traveling in the highway for continuous half an hour, my body might adopt it. On top of that, since I already spoke about my vehicle's condition in previous vlogs, you need to understand for what reason I am feeling. I'm scared. ఈడొకడు బండిని ఎప్పుడు చూడనట్టే చూస్తుండ. I'll rather prefer from overtaking from left side itself. Though it's not safety, I have to sometimes. Police department is for doing their job. Amma. Oh, padadu. Left, huh? What is up? Huh? Okay. Oh, ishka. Heda? Okay. Vamu. HMC. Seems like someone has been expired. That's how you can find so many flowers dropped down the way. Quite unfortunate. We all feeling hungry since it is lunchtime. Of course, it's beyond lunchtime. We just missed it. So we are heading towards a restaurant. I don't know where it is. Sinu bro just gave me an advice to visit this restaurant and taste the food, where it has a good history of a tasty food material. Non-veg, of course, not the veg. We are going over there and have non-veg food. What happened? Okay. We need to do. Saree delivery. Ew. Yay! Ah. ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నావు? వద్దు నాకు. టమాటా నేనే తింటాను. నాన్ వెజ్ అంటే ముక్కలు కనిపిస్తాయి. ఆమ్లెట్ మటన్ చికెన్ సార్ అమ్ము ఛార్జింగ్ లేదు తర్వాత I'm literally enjoying the meal. So tasty, perfect spices. బాలాజీ మెస్సు.
ఇప్పుడు తీసేయాలా?